Hi guys, welcome back to Yum Yum City, where I'll be taking you around the world to explore halal restaurants. So today we are in Beijing, China, and the first place I'll be taking you to is a halal hot pot. This restaurant is a single person hot pot restaurant, meaning each person has a personal hot pot. So we asked them to see the halal certificate and we're more than happy to show us it. And here is a quick view of the menu. I didn't want to show you guys everything as I want to leave something a surprise. So this is what we ordered. The first thing here is beef. There's some beef skin, some cabbages, some more beef. And then this is the peanut sauce you dip it in, some sweet potatoes, some lamb, some tofu, and some mushrooms. And now we're heading over to the second restaurant, which from what I know was really popular. Here is a quick view from the outside. Here is a quick view of the menu. We went to this restaurant specifically for the Peking duck. We really wanted to try it as Beijing makes the most popular one. How you eat this? Take one of them right here. Put some duck in it. This is Peking duck, guys. Halal Peking duck. With a few vegetables. And then
okay, I don't know how to put the sauce.
just dip a vegetable. Yeah, perfect. Spread it just in case the sauce is too strong. And put some kebabs in here, which are really spicy apparently. The rice because we're extra like that. And guys, that's it. We're gonna dig in and I will get back to you as soon as we are done. Actually, on these are chopstick skills. Look how golden that is.
Yeah, I don't care anymore.
Oh, look how golden that is. We actually stayed there till pretty late because we ordered loads of food. And here is the quick view of the exit. There is a wall of fame which shows some of the Muslim people whom are pretty famous who attended that restaurant. And here we are heading off to the next restaurant. I will post the location for each of these restaurants down below as 1, 2, and 3. Okay, here it is. Where do we go? That's the toilet. I think. Ni hao. Assalamualaikum. No. Do we go upstairs? Ni hao. Ni hao.
鸟会吃吗？
听不到。对对对对。谢谢。
And have peanuts. If there's rice.
这是洋菜吗？
对，洋菜。
这是山庄，坏了。
Picture for you. Or are you waiting for the audition?
Please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you turn your post notifications on.